Hey collectors, and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing a real icon, the Batmobile by Hot Wheels, code HYY81. It's part of the HW Safari Mode series, number 145 of 250 from the 2025 mainline. A 1/64 scale beast designed to bring Gotham vibes to your collection. Let's take a closer look. The first thing you notice is that bold black body, perfectly sculpted to look aggressive and fast. The finish combines gloss and matte textures, while the front end features twin aerodynamic fenders that almost look like bat wings in motion. Classic red highlights along the sides set it off beautifully. At the back we have oversized tail fins that define this version of the Batmobile. Two large exhaust pipes suggest serious power, and the red-tinted cockpit gives it a mysterious, tech-loaded feel. This casting perfectly blends fantasy with comic book realism, and every angle is pure attitude. The wheels feature red line details that match the body striping, and the stance is low and aggressive, exactly how the Dark Knight would roll through Gotham. This isn't just a toy, it's a tribute to decades of Batmobile history shrunk into the palm of your hand. This particular design seems to take cues from both animated series and comic books. While not modeled after a real-life vehicle, the Batmobile often borrows elements from classic American muscle cars and futuristic jet-inspired prototypes, a blend of old-school cool and crime-fighting tech. Let's imagine what it would have under the hood. Jet turbine hybrid V10 engine, 900 horsepower, that's 670 kilowatt at length, around 5.7 meters, 0-100 kilometers h, under 3 seconds, top speed up to 330 kilometers h. Totally fictional, but definitely fun to dream. Hot Wheels nailed it with this casting. Whether you're a Batman fan or a diecast lover, this is one of those pieces that just demands shelf space. It's bold, unique, and instantly recognizable. Keep an eye out. HYY81 is going to be one of the most wanted models of the 2025 series.